Woodpeckers are familiar to all of us. Their size varies from a small sparrow to as big as a crow, the smallest being the speckled piculet and the largest the mighty white-bellied woodpecker. Known as Dryarchopus javensis, is a member of Picidae family, which includes all woodpeckers of the world. The name Dryarchopus was first introduced as a genus name by a German naturalist, Friedrich Boy, in the year 1826. The name is derived from an ancient Greek word druokopos, which has a split meaning. Druos means tree and kopos means beating or drumming. The woodpecker here was filmed from Anekundi Shola in Anamalai Tiger Reserve in Tamil Nadu. This is our largest woodpecker, not commonly encountered like the flamebacks. They prefer to live in the evergreen forest in general, though sightings in drier forests are also frequent. The woodpecker is typically black in color with a prominent white belly. Like any other woodpecker, they also possess a red crest. Male and female can be differentiated from their red crest. Their call is so loud and it can be heard from a long distance, and their call echoes in forest valleys. The breeding season starts with their noisy drumming, which is a special ritual for almost all woodpecker species. They find a suitable hollow tree in the near vicinity of the nesting site and choose an appropriate position on the trunk to make the loudest sound possible. As the breeding season approaches, noisy pairs can be seen preparing for the nesting. They generally nest in dead trees where they excavate hollows. They lay 2 eggs which are white in color. There are 14 subspecies described so far in this group, in which many island species are already extinct and some endangered. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.